Remember when I swapped the rugs in my living room? Well, now I'm relocating it to where it belongs. Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, I'm Sharita, and on my channel it's all about my unique home decor style. And if I can teach you something along the way, I definitely will. Today we're picking up where we left off last time, relocating the original rug to its cozy spot in the hearth room. Let the rug shuffle commence. All right, so before switching out the rugs, I just need to do some decor shifting. The rug pad is in good condition and positioned correctly for the new rug. So I'm just going to move the heavy furniture, keep the rug pad in place, and roll out our new one. I initially bought this rug for our hearth room, and now that I have a new rug in the living room, I'm ready to install it. I want to create a modern yet cozy look for the fall season, so I plan to just replace the current rug with a new one. The space was mopped a few weeks ago, and the existing rug has been protecting the floor. I could have moved all of the decor pieces in one go, followed by the furniture. However, I decided to move these items gradually, and it worked out. I saved the delicate and breakable items for last, and then I moved the coffee table back into the space once I realized the rug didn't need to be moved or tweaked except for the portion that needs to be rolled out under the bar cabinet. Now, out of all of the furniture I've moved to put down these rugs, this bar cabinet has got to be the strangest. I guess it's odd because I don't like to remove the items that are inside of the bar cabinet, so I have to shift it in such a way where the items don't fall out inside. And then not only that, the front legs of this bar cabinet are on the rug and the back legs are not, so I have to kind of make adjustments for that. Now, moving the furniture around was quite simple, with the only challenge being lifting or tilting the bar cabinet onto the furniture moving pads. Now, the furniture moving pads made it easier to slide it around, and once in position, I removed the pads, making sure the bar cabinet fits snug up against the wall. Now, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you already know I love to clean and decorate with socks on. I do wear house shoes, but I like to clean and decorate with socks. I mean, it's just a comfort level. I needed the extra grip today from my shoes to maneuver the furniture, so sometimes I had them on and sometimes I didn't. So remember to wear suitable shoes with grip when moving furniture to avoid unnecessary strain. Now I'm going to move these beautiful brown velvet chairs into the space. I absolutely love these chairs. They're comfortable, they're cozy, they're wide. They came with 2 pillows per chair. And usually I just style them with one of the brown pillows that came with it. They do come in different colors, so if you're interested in them, I'll be sure to leave a link for them in the description. I absolutely love them. And if you're a tall person, these will work for you because they have that extra leg room that you'll need. So yes, this is one of my favorite purchases I've made within the last year or so. So now let's go ahead and add some pillows to the main sofa, and then we're going to continue on with decorating the space. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. I decided to move over to the dining room area, or my kitchen nook, so we'll call it, since I do have a separate dining area. And in this area, I'm just going to add some warmth over here. I'm actually going to do a tablescape. Most people know I'm not a big fan of it. Sometimes I'll do it, but I'll go ahead and put it up because we do use this area, and I don't like to have to move the plates and all of that out of the way when it's time to eat. Over on the side table, of course, we have a lamp, we have a decor piece I already had. We're going to add a ginger jar to the table as well as the side table. And of course, you see the pumpkin in the same color as the ginger jars. And with the ginger jars, the one that's on the side table, I will not be adding any flowers or florals to them. But the one on the table, I am going to add some florals. And I do like to decorate in threes, so that's why I have a ginger jar along with these really nice, beautiful lanterns that used to be silver, and I spray painted them gold. Absolutely love them. So I'm just going to go ahead and add some greenery, and then I'm going to add some fall floral stems that I purchased from Kirkland's. And I purchased these fall stems last year from Kirkland's, and when the seasons change, I just put them in a container and put them up in the attic. Absolutely love them. They were affordable. Like I said, I got them from Kirkland's, and of course, I'm always looking for the coupons that Kirkland's have. Just a couple of tips when creating a floral arrangement. If you have a round vessel, you want to try to use odd numbers, so 1, 3, and 5. In this case, I'm using 3 of the fall floral stems, and I think I have about 5 of those greenery stems. And if you're using a square vessel or vase, you may want to just use even numbers and maybe just go with one centerpiece or one thriller in the very center. So let's go ahead and add some table settings to our table scape. To bring some green over here, so I'm going to use these green placemats. Absolutely love them. I believe I purchased them from Home Goods or Hobby Lobby. And then we're going to add these black and white polka dot plates. I did purchase the entire set, but today we're just going to add the plates to this table setting. These beautiful napkins trimmed in gold were purchased from Marshall's, and I actually steamed them and folded them in such a way where the gold will be centered down the napkin. And instead of using a napkin ring today, we're just going with a simple fold. This is a great time to add our salad plates on top of the napkins. These are gorgeous. They have a little bit of the Greek key as well as, I would say, more of a China or Chinese inspired look to them. And we're going in with these beautiful gold marble bows that I purchased from Z Gallery. Absolutely love them. I didn't want everything to be matchy. I do have a picture of some salad plates that I think would be a great replacement. I absolutely love them. I even considered ordering them to replace these. And this is how the tablescape pretty much went. So here is our placemat, our plate, our napkin, our salad plate, followed by a bowl, and then of course we're going to add our green glass. And here's how the table is looking. So let's go back over into our hearth room area. I do want to change up the pillows. I brought my brown back out along with this polka dot brown and cream pillow, and then we're going to add a small green pillow. And over on the other side, I'm just going with one brown. I'm trying to tie the brown into the sofa with the brown that's on the chair. I'm just adding this decorative gold metal box to the bottom row of this coffee table. We're going to add a couple of books to tie in some more of the color that we're working with in the room. We have a little bit of gray and that gold, and then I'm going to add this square glass vase. And this is a vase that I do use for my live plants, and it is square, so that's where you would definitely consider adding 4 or even numbers when you're actually adding plants or stems to it. And then over on the coffee table, I've already added a bowl, a decorative metal bowl, as well as an area to sit these beautiful vases, clear vases. We're just going to add some greenery to them just to bring a little bit of greenery over here. And this green vessel used to be a candle, and I'm just using it now to hold my coasters. So let's add some brown velvet pumpkins to this metal bowl. And I did have an additional one that had feathers on it. So we have two that are in the same family, and then we have one with a little bit of feathers. Then we're going to add a artificial iris plant, and iris to me is one of those flower arrangements that can be considered year-round. So I just stuck it in this bowl. Then we're going to add a decorative item in the shape of a circle. And of course, we have a candle holder, and then we're going to add a round candle. Keeping in mind, we are still decorating in threes. And I'm just adding this really tall vase on the side along with another vase. This used to be a bright red, and I spray painted it brown on the bottom and gold on the top, kind of overlapping with my spray paint to create more of a realistic, natural look. I didn't want it to look spray painted, so that's why I kind of went with a layered spray paint effect. Absolutely love it. So that is another idea. If you have a tall vase along with a short one, you can definitely set it on the floor. Now, I picked up this pine cone from Home Goods last year. It is perfect for fall, even for Christmas. So we're just adding it to that little side table along with this beautiful, simple pumpkin candle. And of course, I already had that plugged in light over there. And over on the fireplace, I wanted to add some pumpkins. So I added it to a gold metal tray and just layered them inside of the tray. And this is how the space turned out. Right, everyone, we are coming to the end of this video. Thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed and you like these types of videos, please hit the subscribe button. Turn your notification on so you'll be notified when I post videos. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. It really does help my channel. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one, and have a great day.